Hi, and welcome to the Boulder County American Rescue Plan Act, or ARPA, dashboard tutorial. The title of this tutorial is, What are the different parts of the dashboard and how do I use them? It was last updated in March of 2024. This tutorial video is about how to use Boulder County's ARPA dashboard. To learn more about the kinds of questions the ARPA dashboard can address, you can watch the tutorial video titled, What Questions Can the Dashboard Answer? Or read that section of the dashboard's About page. To learn more about the history of ARPA and how Boulder County has invested these funds, please go to boco.org/ARPA. To get started with the tutorial, let's look at the home screen. When you open the ARPA dashboard, this is what you'll see. To explore the different parts of the dashboard, first, let's look at the right sidebar. This is where you can find pie charts for how ARPA funds were allocated. At the bottom, you will see arrows to select different tabs. Click on a tab to select which type of pie chart you want to see. You can choose to see pie charts for area, category, or expenditure. Once you've used the tabs to select the type of pie chart you want to see, you can then click on one or more pieces of the pie chart to see all of the programs and organizations that belong to that type of area, category, or expenditure. When you do, the program tiles on the left sidebar and the map in the center window will automatically update to show you all of the programs and organizations within the group you selected. To unselect, click the same piece of the pie chart or click anywhere outside of the pie chart. Moving on to the other side of the screen, let's now explore the left sidebar. At the top, the summary tiles show the total number of programs and the total amount of funds for all the program tiles below. These program tiles have information about all of the programs that received ARPA funds, including the organization that implemented the program category, the program name, the amount of ARPA funds allocated to the program service area, a description of the program, and at the bottom, there's a link to the program webpage. Both the summary tiles above and these individual program tiles will automatically update when you select pieces of a pie chart or when you choose an organization or program from the drop-down menus, which we'll explore next. To use the program tiles to update the map and pie charts, click one or more of the program tiles you're interested in exploring. When you do, the locations on the map and the different pie chart types will automatically update to reflect those programs. You will know a program tile is selected because it will have a blue bar to the left. To unselect, click the program tile again, and the blue bar will disappear. Moving to the upper right-hand corner, you'll see two green boxes. These are drop-down menus. One drop-down menu has a list of all ARPA-funded programs, and the other has a list of all the organizations that implement ARPA-funded programs. To select a program or organization, click either drop-down menu to open it. Then scroll until you find the name of the program or organization you want to see and click on it. When you do, the pie charts, program tiles, and map will automatically update to show you more information about what you selected. You can select multiple programs or organizations by clicking on multiple names from either drop-down menu. To unselect, click the white reset button at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Finally, let's take a look at the center window view. Here, you can see an overview of ARPA programs. There is a map of all ARPA programs and organizations, demographics of people served by ARPA programs, and an About tab with information about how to use the dashboard, including the tutorial you're watching right now. Click on a tab on the bottom of the center window to select what kind of overview information you would like to see, the map, about, or demographics. The map in particular has some additional features that are worth noting. Specifically, it has a legend, which explains what different symbols on the map represent, layers, which allow you to see additional information about Boulder County municipalities, community resources, and population characteristics. This information can help contextualize where ARPA programs are located and what kinds of communities they serve. And finally, it has base maps, which allow you to select different formats for viewing the map. To use any of these tools, simply click on the icons and a pop-up window will appear. You can also use the map to learn more about specific ARPA programs and organizations, which will appear on the map as green dots or purple squares. Click on any of those dots or squares, and the dashboard pie charts and program tiles will automatically update to give you more information about the program or organization you selected. Thank you for watching this video tutorial about how to use the Boulder County ARPA dashboard. If you have questions or comments, please reach out to me. My name is Kim Strong, and you can reach me at KISTRONG@bouldercounty.gov.